Hey guys, my name is Jake. I'm a product specialist down here at Smail Mazda in Greensburg. Today we're going to go over how to connect your phone to the Bluetooth portion of the new Mazda. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the home screen. We're going to navigate then to the entertainment tab. From the entertainment tab, we're going to select the source Bluetooth. At which point it's important to make sure that your Bluetooth on your phone is pulled up so that way it's searching for an active device. I'm going to press continue and it's going to find iPhone. So I'm going to select iPhone on the screen here as well as select Mazda on my phone. So once you do that, it's going to come up with a 6-digit PIN that should match the one on the vehicle screen. We're going to select pair, and it'll take a few minutes to connect. Now from here you have a couple different options. You can connect all of your contacts, so that way when you're using the voice commands while driving, it's very easy to navigate through who's incoming calls, outgoing calls. It's also going to let you use your music you have stored on your phone. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below or visit us here at the store, Smail Mazda in Greensburg, or online at smailmazda.com.